welcome back to another interesting session on PowerShell. Today we will learn on new item that will help us to create files and directory. So for creating any directory in command prompt, we used to run this command mkdir for make directory and the directory name like test. So this directory has been created, and if we write ls, it will show that directory has been created. And how will we know that? We can identify it via mode, that is D. If we want to create a directory using PowerShell command, we need to write new item, and we can specify the path. So path will be this path only, so we can give this location here and give it a name as test dir, and item type will be a directory. Now press enter. So we can see that our test directory has been created. If we write ls, we can see there are two directories, test and testdir. Now moving to the next concept, like how can we create files using PowerShell. For that we also need to write new item, such as new item. Then we can give it a name such as file. Now item type will be file. So a file has been created, and we can also identify by seeing that there is no D written in the directory mode. If there is nothing, means a file has been created. Now let's remove all this item in this directory PowerShell. We can use remove item, and I will give a star for removing all the items in this from this folder. Now let's run ls. So there is nothing in this folder. Now moving to the next thing, let's create multiple files. So for that, let's move to integrated scripting environment IAC. Let's first create an unique identifier. How can we create that? We can create that by unique equals, I can use date, then format. We can give it a format as dd, mm, yy, then hh, mm, ss. And if we run this, let's run this. See, we have get an unique identifier. So this we will use. Now let's move to the scripting environment. Let's create multiple files using new item. Let's see how can we achieve that. So we can achieve that by using one. This is range. So we will create 10 files. Then we will use a pipe. Then we will use for each, then curly braces, then we can use new item, then we can mention the path. So for the path, so we can get it from here. and we can give the name $_ dollar unique $unique.txt. Now let's run this. So see how can we created 10 files in a jiffy. So yeah, that's all for today. Thanks everyone for watching.